is Scott Roberton, and today we're going to walk you through a 95 Princess 2011. This particular boat was built for the current owner and was custom built from start. It's got a lot of really neat features to it. It's got twin C32A 1925 horsepower cats. It has an extended range fuel tanks, just over 3,500 gallons of fuel. This boat then has a longer range than your typical 95 Princess. But as we start, we're going to start you on the aft platform here, where we have a hydraulic swim platform that goes all the way across beam to beam of this boat. The beam of this boat's just over 23 feet. We also have a toy garage here on the back that lifts up, which we're going to show you in just a minute. Many things. They're using it as a storage area. They can put life jackets in here, they can put scuba gear in here, you could put paddle boards in here. This area can be used for a lot of different reasons. On the aft deck of this 95 Princess, you've got an extremely large beam to this boat, so it gives this area a huge feel. Great seating across the back here that can seat anywhere from 8 to 12 people. On the port side, as you're looking across the aft deck here, you're going to see that we have a bar and an ice maker back in this area. On each corner of this aft deck, you got really nice Lumar large captions, and you got an entrance and an exit off both sides of the aft deck of this bridge. Now we're going to take you into the salon. To make your way from the aft deck into the salon, first you go through a really nice stainless door that's trifold that actually pushes back and opens this entire salon up into your aft deck. So make your way onto the salon. One of the things you're going to really notice is the big windows all the way through up into the dining room table. But one of the most important factors of this boat is the Wenge wood. Typically is an accent in the Princess when you build this boat, and this is something that the owner wanted to have throughout. So it was a pretty expensive option that he chose for that, but the entire wood paneling as well as accent trim along your ceiling is all done in this really premium Brazilian wood. As you make your way forward, you can see this custom dining table. As you make your way forward of the dining room, you're going to come into this area which offers a day head here, integrated stairwell to the bridge, and then over on this side here you're going to walk into the galley. This is a very custom galley for anything a chef would ever want. You got a full Sub-Zero refrigerator with 2 refrigerator pull drawers underneath it. You've got freezer Sub-Zero drawers, 2 of those. Got a nice Miele cooktop here, Miele appliances underneath here, as well as a full Miele dishwasher as well. Over on this side we also have an ice maker. This is a side door to get out around the side decks, and then in front of the galley is your lower helm. This galley is very well equipped for any chef, and all the options have been chosen in this galley, along with the Wenge wood has been carried out in this area as well. Now we're going to make our way down to the 4 staterooms, and each stateroom has an in-suite head. But before we go down, we wanted to highlight the stairwell that's going up to the bridge with all the Wenge wood as well in this area. But before we go down, take a look at this stairwell, leading you down to the 4 staterooms. It's very well done and designed. Now we're down in the lower companion area, and the first thing we're going to walk through is the master stateroom. On your way to the master, behind these storage cabinets is a washer and dryer combo unit just for the owner. Make your way into the master stateroom, and you're going to have a king-size bed. On the port side, you're going to have a really nice vanity, and over on the starboard side is going to be an office desk sitting area. Now just forward of the office and desk area is your master bath, but we're going to take you through that in just a second. Over here on this port side is a full walk-in closet with drawers, great storage, and you can see this is all done in the Wenge wood as well. We're in the master head now. You can see we have dual sinks that are recessed. Again, this was something very custom. Another nice thing is all marble in the walk-in shower. This is very well done. Every bit of this. This is a heated towel rack that we have over here as well. Now, right behind you, we're going to show you the water closet, because typically the toilet is one that sits inside this area, and the owner, when he built this boat, he wanted to have this separate from the actual bathroom itself. Now we're on the other side of the master head, where the toilet itself is in its own water closet. So as I open the door here, you come around, you're going to be able to see how this was designed. As we come out of the master, we have 3 additional staterooms, and again, each stateroom has its own in-suite head. But first we're going to show you the bow VIP stateroom. So really nice companion area here. You're going to make your way up these stairs. And we have a king-size bed that's up in this room as well. This room's extremely spacious. It's got its own walk-in closet. Again, it's in-suite head, but you can see natural windows on the port and starboard side. This is the port VIP guest stateroom. Real nice sized bed, drawers underneath the bed. You've got a walk-in closet, and behind this door that takes you into the stateroom is its own in-suite head as well. Now across the hall, you're going to have the 4th stateroom, which is 2 singles. So now we're in the 4th stateroom with 2 singles. This room as well has an in-suite head, separate shower as well, but all the Wenge wood is carried throughout down here as well. Now we're up on the Flybridge. This entire Flybridge is all teak from front to back. On the back part of the Flybridge back here, you've got a davit, and you'll be able to put a tender up here. We got life rafts, which are hydrostatic on the port and starboard side. One nice feature in this back area is you've got a full bar back here with a grill. This area also has 2 stainless poles with a full awning to kind of keep it shaded. As you move your way forward, this has 2 really nice size entertaining couches on the port and starboard side. Again, this was all custom done. This was built to the owner's specs when he built this boat, and also these tables were arranged like this. You also will see 2 chairs on the inside as well. Here we have a hardtop, but the hardtop has an opening that opens up back, so you can actually have this on a really nice day. You can open up this entire area. As you make your way forward, you have your upper helm and another area off to your port with some really nice seating as well. So as you stand up front here, you can actually turn around and look at the back here. This bridge for a 95-foot yacht is enormous. We're back on the aft deck now, and what we're going to do is walk you around the front. But before we do, one nice feature this bridge has is integrated stairwell from the aft deck as well. We talked about it earlier. You have one from the interior. But let's walk around the side. As you can see, just taking a snapshot of this, this is very, very wide. All your air for the engines for cooling all comes through the side here instead of out on the outside of the boat. It's actually in the walkway here. You have a second side door that takes you into the pilot house, and there's one on the port side as well that takes you into the galley. As you can tell, as we're walking through, this is all teak all the way up to the front. This vessel also offers dual anchors, which is very nice on a 95-footer. Now we'll make our way back to the aft deck. This area right here that you're passing is the entrance to the cruise quarters. Now we're down into the cruise quarters and the engine room. Down here, which is nice, is you've got 2 staterooms, 1 head, separate shower. Each stateroom offers 2 single beds, so you can sleep 4 crew. We also have a washer and dryer that's down in this area, full galley. As you can see, the galley table is in this area here. It's a triangle shape. It'll eat 3 to 4 people, no problem. Forward of the galley is your full freezer, which is really nice for long trips. Now as we make our way into the engine room, very, very clean engine room. You have dual generators. You got your C32A Caterpillar engines. Services were just done on these motors in mid-2019. This boat's ready to go right now. I really appreciate you taking the time to walk through this 2011 95 Princess called Blueprint. Again, this was an extremely custom built boat. It's still owned by the original owner. It has extended fuel tank range with the bigger tanks that we put in this boat when it was built. The boat's got twin C32As, 1925 horsepower. It's got twin 40 kW generators. It does also offer 0-speed stabilizers, which is something that's really nice in today's world. Thanks for your time again. My name is Scott Roberton. My cell phone number is 727-638-7890, and my email is scott.r@marinemax.com.